Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Proton Mail using multi-factor authentication. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Proton Mail using multi-factor authentication, start by logging into your Proton Mail account. Enter your email address and password on the login page. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. Find the Accounts section within the settings. Look for the two-factor authentication option. Click on Enable Two-Factor Authentication. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method for authentication. Select between using an authentication app or receiving SMS messages. If you choose the authentication app, download and install it on your smartphone, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Open the authentication app and tap to add a new account. Use your smartphone to scan the QR code displayed on your Proton Mail settings page. The app will generate a unique code for you. Enter this code back in the Proton Mail settings to confirm. If you opted for SMS authentication, enter your phone number and click Send Code. Check your messages for the verification code sent by. Input that code into the designated field on the Proton Mail page. Once verified, two-factor authentication will be activated. Make sure to save your backup codes in a secure place. These backup codes will be essential for account recovery if you lose access. To test your setup, log out of your account and attempt to log back in. After entering your email and password, you will be prompted for a verification code. Open your authentication app or check your SMS for the current code. Enter the code to gain access to your account. You have now successfully set up multi-factor authentication for your Proton Mail account. This will enhance the security of your account significantly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.